Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to repeat tasks here in Microsoft Planner. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is the first time in Microsoft Planner, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Microsoft Planner does not have a native feature to set up recurrent tasks directly. However, you can manage repeating tasks through the workarounds or integration with other Microsoft tools. So number one option is once you are logged into your account, I want you to hover to the plans that you're working. In my case, I'm going to be choosing this plan. And I'm going to choose the task inside of this plan right here. All right. For example, I want to repeat this specific task. To reorder. All I'm gonna do is to manually recreate recurring tasks. All right. For you to be able to do that, all I'm gonna do is click on the task right here. All right. Now, all I have to do is you see this option right here that says copy. You can copy that. You can rename this as recurring task. And of course, you can put in a bucket name. For example, later we're gonna fix that. All right. You see there. You see there's gonna be an option that says recurrence, right? All I have to do is click on copy. All right. Now the task has been copied here. Click that. This is gonna be the recurring task, which is once you're here, you can set the repeat option here for daily, weekdays, weekly, monthly, yearly, and custom. And of course, you can set note here for if you're working with multiple freelancers, you can say recurring task. All right. And add an item for the checklist right here. Want to make sure that it is shown on the card recurring tasks. Apart from that, you want to make sure that this is like set to urgent or important. So these are going to be your options. And then I want you to sort this as, for example, recurring one, task one. All right, it's gonna be and of course here, and then go to grid. There's gonna be a label here wherein you can change the label. All right, so for example, this I'm going to change the tag to recur. Press enter. This one goes to recur again. All right, so these are some of the options where you can create a recurring tasks here in Microsoft Planner. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.